Installing a storm door on an entryway adds comfort and security to any home. To properly install the door, a secondary frame is needed. For a single door unit, this is created by the reveal between the brick mold and the jamb, meaning the unit doesn't need any alteration. After following the provided instructions, the door is ready to use. A door with sidelights may require some additional parts and pieces to install a storm door. The best way to tell this is by looking at the mole post, or the piece between the sidelights and the front door. Most sidelight units are installed with a standard mole post which sits back from the edge of the jamb, not giving the storm door enough clearance to close. In this case, a storm door adapter must be added to extend the mole post to the edge of the jamb. This creates the proper frame for the storm door to have the clearance necessary. Some sidelight units use a storm door ready mole post, which is a standard mole post with the storm door adapter built on. If the mole post sticks out to the edge of the jamb, then the unit is storm door ready. Some sidelight units are also built as a box unit, meaning each sidelight and the door have individual frame systems around them. Every box unit is storm door ready. Storm doors are popular because they allow extra light and ventilation into the house. The glass helps fight against harsh weather while the screen keeps the bugs out and your pets in. From traditional to modern, storm doors create an inviting entrance, add value, and reflect your unique lifestyle.